My name is Andin. So today we're gonna learn about animals and something that's good you want. Okay? Now, there's lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Now, it's tiger. Tiger is not the king of the jungle, but it is so strong and brave, not scared when you fight with snake. But snake is so bad, can eat people. Snake is green. It has many colors about snakes. So elephant, long trunk, horns, and clay bodies. So elephant is so big and strong, and birds can fly, have some feathers on a pussy. Its name's bird. Bird has a beak and spiky legs. Bye bye, besties.